In this video, we're going to talk about Web3 PY using Python. So Web3 PY is a package that is used to connect to the blockchain and do all the transactions and whatever you would like using Python. So this is what we're going to learn today in this video. Now, look at this diagram. We have been discussing this diagram in our series of videos, wherein you have Ethereum network, and on the Ethereum network, you write smart contracts using remix.ethereum.org. Once you have the smart contracts written, you are going to be using Python or Ripple.it in order to run your Python codes. We have seen in our previous section of videos that we had used Web3.js. So let's understand, how do you use Python now to interact with smart contract and run it on Ethereum network. As part of the series of these videos, we are going to talk about how to install and run Web3, how do you get balance from an account, send an Ether transaction, deploy a contract, writing or executing a method in a contract, and then listening to contract events. These are the things that we will do using Web3PY. If you want to learn more, you can go to Google and search for web3.readdocs.io, and this is what Web3PY, Web3PY.io, and you are going to learn more if you need information. All right, so let's do this. We have been doing Web3.js on the Ripple.it. You can continue using Ripple.it, or from a notebook perspective, you can use Colab. So I have a different series of video tutorials on Colab. You can go watch it. Just to get starters, go to google.com and search for Colab Google. And the first link is going to be colab.research.google.com. You're going to open it like this. This gives you a free notebook environment. So Google provides you an environment that you could use to create Python notebooks. This is what you're going to be using. Or if you want to use any Python IDE like Spider, Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, whatever you are comfortable with, you can use that interface. Going here, you are going to click on New Notebook, and we are going to write. So click on New Notebook, and a new notebook will open like this. And you can rename that notebook as Web3PY.doityourself. This notebook is available in the GitHub link, which I have put it in the description section of the video. Now, here, the first thing we are going to do is, you need to know a little bit of Python. So I have another Python tutorial series that I'm going to put it in your video description section below. So you have pip install web3. This means you're running the OS command. This Colab is a Linux/Unix environment, and then pip install web3. This is what you're going to do. You need to be a little familiar with Colab. This is not the purpose of this video, but you can look at my other video, which is probably in the card sections right now. So click on this, and it is going to install the Web3 package. The Web3 package will be installed, enabling you to run all the notebook commands that we are doing. So pip install Web3. Right now, let's set up the basics. In our previous set of videos, we had created Infura accounts. So this is our infura.io account. And I had created a project, my test project. Using this, you are going to get the URLs. So this is going to give you the URL over here. So this is mainnet, Goerli, or Sepolia. We are using Goerli testnet for our. Don't worry about this. I'm going to delete once we have all the videos created. So I'm not going to be using this. You will not find it, so no need of copying. So you want to create your Infura URL. The video is there. I'll put the description section. In the description section, how do you create Infura URL and get yourself ready? You want to copy this URL, all right? Next. So what we are going to do is we are going to define our Infura URL. So copy this, and I'm going to define my Infura URL like this. So I'm going to define a variable Infura URL like this. And next, I'm going to initiate a Web3 handler. So this is Web3, this is the handler. Web3, it's not included. So we have to do from Web3, whoops. We have to write here from Web3, import Web3. This will import Web3 is a Python command. So import from Web3, this package, import Web3. And Web3 is my handler. And I'm gonna write, if this is true, I'm gonna write print3, print Web3 is connected. So success. Okay. Now let's run this. So what I'm doing in this code is using an import. I'm doing an Infura URL, and then I'm creating a connection, an instance of Web3 connection to the Ethereum mainnet. So using the Infura, I'm using Python notebooks. Using Infura, I'm getting a connection to Ethereum blockchain. And this is Web3 dot is connected. Let's run it. So there is a problem. Oh, so once you have installed this, you have to restart the runtime. So go to runtime and restart runtime. Now, if you do it from Web3 import, this is going to work as screen. Success equals true. So that connection has happened. We have established the connection. Now, what we are going to do is going to get balance from the account. So what you can do is write some text over here. So I'm going to get balance from an account. So in order to get a balance from the account, I'm gonna disconnect to my wallet, right? So here is my MetaMask wallet, and I'm going to use this account, and I'm gonna say balance equals web3 dot ETH. And if you the thing I like about Collab is it gives you an option like a autofill option to look at what options are available, what functions are available. So web3.eth get balance, and you see here get balance, and I'm going to paste the wallet address that I copied, and then I'm gonna print the balance here. So, and instead of connect success, I'm gonna say connection. There you go. The connection equal true and 1.34 Ether, and you can see in my balance account, in Goerli testnet, I have 1.3435, 1.3434 Ether. That's how you do a get balance from an account. In the next video, we're going to continue using the same functionality, and we are going to be transferring an Ether, making a transaction of Ether from one account to the other. Again, thank you for watching.